In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fully recover Chess.com account. If you're having trouble accessing your Chess.com account, don't worry. In this guide, I'll walk you through the available account recovery options and explain what to do based on your specific situation. Whether you've forgotten your password, closed your account in the past, or are experiencing other access issues, following the correct recovery method can help you regain access as quickly as possible. Let's begin with the most common issue, which is forgetting your password. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the chess.com login page. Once you arrive, locate the Forgot Password option and select it. You'll be asked to enter the email address associated with your chess.com account. After submitting the request, Chess.com will send a password reset message to that email address. Open the message when it arrives and follow the password reset link provided. Create a new password that is both secure and easy for you to remember. Once you've successfully updated your password, return to the login page and sign in using your new credentials. If the password reset message doesn't appear right away, don't panic. Take a moment to check your spam, junk, or promotions folders, since automated emails can sometimes be filtered there. Waiting a few minutes before requesting another reset can also be helpful. If you previously closed your chess.com account and would like to restore it, visit the login page and sign in using the account credentials associated with the closed account. After logging in, you should see an option to reopen the account. Select that option and carefully follow the instructions shown on your screen. As part of the verification process, Chess.com may send a 6-digit code to your registered email address. Open the message, retrieve the code, and enter it when requested. After verification is completed, your account information, ratings, game history, and other account data should be restored. For users who originally created their account through Google, Apple, or Facebook, the standard reopening process may not function as expected. In that situation, visit the Chess.com Support Center and submit a support request. Be sure to provide the information associated with your account, including the sign-in method you used, so the support team can verify your identity and assist you more efficiently. If your account was disabled or restricted by Chess.com, normal recovery methods will not work. Check your email for any messages explaining the restriction and any instructions that may have been provided. If you cannot locate those messages, contact Chess.com support directly and request a review of your account status. It's also important to understand the difference between a closed account and a permanently deleted account. Closed accounts can often be reopened through the recovery process, while permanently deleted accounts generally cannot be restored once the deletion process has been completed. And that's it. By following these recovery options, you can determine your account status and choose the appropriate method to regain access. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like. Subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and good luck on the board.